Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of October 3rd through the 9th in my Recollections vertical planner. Please excuse whatever weird noises are coming from my cat in the background. He's being a disaster. Anyway, this week I am using a kit from Vintage Glam called Boo Time. It's super cute and I'm super excited to use it. Start of all my Halloween kits. This one's probably the least Halloween-y in colors, so excited to get started with this one. For the purposes of today, I have 4 sets of headers, so I'm going to put those on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday because I have them. And then I also pulled out this Dollar Tree washi that I'm going to stick on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And then what is he doing? Anyway, I pulled these 2 super skinny Amazon washis as well, just in case I need them. And then I pulled out these 2 that are both from Michaels, and these are going to be the bottom washis. And this one kind of has some like shimmer, but it's blue. Anyway, so I'm going to stick down all of those things in their various forms. And then I will be right back so that we can do all the interesting bits. Okay, here is where we are so far. I like how colorful it is. These kind of like pop out right now, but I think that they're gonna really fit in once everything gets going. For these guys, I feel like these 2, even though they're not the same color, really go together. So these 2 are kind of like the odd ones out. I think I'm gonna do the pumpkins as my quote box, just because I think they're super cute. So that puts this one on Thursday. And then I'm going to divide these 2 onto Tuesday and then Saturday. Got a little scrippy scrap there. And then I have 2 black and then 2 other colors. I think what I'm going to do, this repeats the boo, but the rest I feel like is not very repetitive. So I'm going to stick that one there and this one over on whatever day this is, Monday. The easiest of the days to know which day it is. And then these 2, I feel like order doesn't really matter, so I'll just leave them in the order that they're on this guy. There we go. So that's kind of the boxes. Looking at the sidebar, I think I'm going to stick a little of this down. There's not very much of this washi tape left, I don't think. So we shall see how this goes. All right, stick this one down. And then I'm going to pull from my leftovers. This is the same My Planner Life UK set of stuff that I've been using bits of for the last few weeks, actually, at this point. And I think I'm going to use this guy, actually. I'm going to track cleaning Pepper's teeth, even though we're going to be gone for part of the week, but still I think it's important. And then I'm also going to pull this one and this one from over here. I'm just going to kind of layer these guys and stick that down. then I'm going to put another one of these checklists that I've also been using for the last few weeks. I'm going to cut off the beige one just like I've been doing. I'm going to stick this down like so. And then I think there's enough space. Yes. I'm going to take one of these checklists. I'm going to stick this guy down right there. That's probably going to have my like packing list. We'll see. Okay. For the plans for the days, I think I'm going to use, I'm trying to decide if I want to use the circles or the flags for work. I'm going to use the circles just because I feel like it. No real rhyme or reason. But I'm going to stick down the circles. There we go. And then also on Monday, I have a plan with me going up. I think I'm going to use the blue flag. Like so. That looks pretty cute, I think. For Tuesday, I have a call with my family. Well, first, actually, we're gonna take. I think we're gonna take. I think we're gonna take this guy. This is a leftover from Sarah Elizabeth Prince, and I'm actually going to take the work label and I'm going to move it down. I'm going to stick right here. It is my mom's birthday. So just going to mark that in like so. And then I'm going to mark down here at the bottom. I think I'm actually just going to put it in as one of these label quarter box kind of things. Right there. And then I don't think I have like a phone that I necessarily want to use to mark that. Like certainly I have some phone icons, but I think it's gonna be fine. If I change my mind and decide I want to mark it more, I can always do that later. Pepper is being super annoying. Anyway, the 5th, nothing much going on there. Then on the second half of the week, I'm going to mark down work on the 6th with the last of these guys. And then I want to mark, I'm going to use this one, I think. I'm actually going to pull out, before I mark my video, I'm going to pull out another one of these Sarah Elizabeth Prince leftovers. And I'm going to mark a flight for Friday morning. And then I'm going to mark down my video. We're doing a trip for my husband's birthday. Speaking of which, on the 8th, the big thing we're marking is his birthday. And then that's all I have right now because I don't really know what we're going to do for vacation-y activities at this point. But I think it's looking really cute. So that is what we have for our pre-planning. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. Okay, here's the finished spread. Sorry if the lighting's a little weird, it's just that time of day. But I'll do a little wiggle and twerk for the foil at the bottom here. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Vintage Glam. I have just a couple of icons left here at the bottom. Used the kit pretty well, I think. This skinny washi is from Dollar Tree. Both of these bottom ones are from Michaels. The habit tracker and this checklist are both from My Planner Life UK. This is Creative Camera Studio, a leftover from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. This is from an Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby. That's the end of this checklist. Another Agenda 52 book from Hobby Lobby, Sarah Elizabeth Prince leftover. That Hobby Lobby one, that same Hobby Lobby one, different Hobby Lobby one, but still the same thing, and same for that one. And that's pretty much all I used. Otherwise, I tried to really pull things from the kit as much as possible. We had a really fun weekend on vacation. Really enjoyed that. I had lots of fun, played an obscene amount of mini golf, which I guess is what you do in Myrtle Beach. Anyway, but it was a lot of fun, and this is how the week turned out, and it's definitely a fun start to my spooky season. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what your highlight of the week was, and then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.